We're here with Asaf Avidan from wisair, and he's going to tell us a little bit about wisair's wireless products. Asaf?
So wisair is a fabless semiconductor company. We are actually producing this chip. It's a single chip that runs a protocol called wireless USB. It's a standard protocol from the USBIF, the implementer forum, the same body that created the wired USB, led by Intel. And you see this little module. It's actually running the complete protocol. It allows you to connect your laptop to several devices wirelessly. For one example that we have here is the wireless laptop to HDTV or to a projector. This one is a dongle that plugs into your laptop. It has a USB port which connects to any laptop, because any laptop has a USB port. And you have this one which connects to the TV through an HDMI port. Again, this one, HDMI is a port that is, you can find it in any HDTV, usually multiple ports. And it allows you to actually connect your laptop to a TV wirelessly, watch any internet content, for example, on your TV, watch your personal content, your images, your video clips, everything that you store on your laptop, presentations, and document. And this is sold as a complete set by our customers in the US, Europe, now in Japan, and soon in additional countries in Asia.
And so what is the wireless technology that's in these embedded offerings?
So this is using UWB radio, ultra-wideband radio. It's a radio for short range, high throughput. Mm-hmm. And on top of it runs the wireless USB protocol. The nice thing about wireless USB protocol is that it has the same features as wired USB. For example, plug and play. When you have a USB device, you plug it to your computer and it runs. So the same with our wireless USB solutions. They are plug and play. You can connect, reconnect. It does it automatically, and all kind of features such as this one.
How far can your laptop be from your television, for example, in order for you to be able to stream from your laptop to your TV?
So this is a solution for in-room. It does not penetrate walls. It's technology for what the name is PAN, Personal Area Network, unlike LAN or network for a wider area. So it's up to 30 feet, and it depends on the content, but this is the range, something like 30 feet, 20 feet. This is the type of the range that you get. So you can sit and enjoy movies on your TV in your living room, for example, using your laptop. You can just play the movie, close your laptop, and see it on the TV.
And you mentioned, so it's a USB offering, obviously, and it's wireless. So who is behind the wireless USB standard?
So the wireless USB standard was created by the Wireless USB Promoter Group, which is part of the USB organization. And it includes companies like Intel, Samsung, LSI, Microsoft, HP, and a few more, ST Ericsson, for example.
And I assume at the moment it's USB 2 offerings, but do you have USB 3 offerings in the pipeline as well?
USB 3.0 is something we will look further down the road. Right now, we are getting very high throughputs, enough for the applications that we are supporting.
So how is the wireless USB different from Wi-Fi streamers, for example? I mean, and also you mentioned Intel as well. Intel have a solution that on the surface appears similar to yours, their MyDi solution. But how does yours differentiate from, for example, internet-enabled televisions or other wireless offerings in the space?
So this solution, our solution, allows you to view, for example, any internet content because you're using your laptop. So whatever you can see on your screen, you can watch on the TV. It means any internet website, any type of content. Unlike those solutions that you mentioned, for example, internet-enabled TVs or streamers, that they have preset websites, for example, preset codecs for video types. And if you're trying to see something else, or you're trying to watch a movie which is not supported by those codecs, you cannot do anything. You cannot watch it. Mm-hmm. So our solution is more universal. It also have modes, different modes. For example, extend modes, which allows you to use the TV as an extension to your laptop screen, which means you can You can let your kids or your friends watch a movie from your laptop on the TV, and at the same time see something else on your TV, on your laptop screen. For example, continue doing your email or do something else. So, for example, the WiDi solution does not support it. The WiDi solution also has very high latency, which means when you move your mouse, it does not move on the TV. It takes it ages to move, so you cannot do anything interactive like internet. So it has decent performance for a very limited scenario of watching a movie from your laptop on a TV. All the other scenarios, watching documents, watching internet, playing games on the internet, you cannot do it with WiDi. And again, with the streamers, that they have a very limited and preset configuration. Also, with streamers, they use Wi-Fi networking. You have to be an expert on networking. Here, it's very simple. You install the driver, you plug it in, and it works. And one additional thing, recently, it's not wisair saying, it's Cisco saying that the biggest enemy of Wi-Fi is interference between networks. It becomes very, many networks, additional solutions over Wi-Fi. These frequency bands are becoming very condensed. This is a solution using a different frequency band, so it does not interfere with your wireless network at home. It does not degrade its performance. There's no mutual interference.
So I can see here that you've got some products. So these products are already on the market?
Yes. We have. I only brought a few. I mean, I could only bring a few, but we have customers in the U.S. selling these type of solutions. In Europe, we have in Japan. For example, this one was launched in Japan last month. These products are going to be launched also in additional countries in Asia. So we have a variety of customers worldwide, and you can find those products in multiple retail shops and online retail channels.
And I think you told me that the cost fluctuates a little bit, probably between about $129 to $159. That's
yes. In
right?
the US, this is typically the range. Again, wisair is not going directly to the retail. We have customers going to the retail, so we do not have any control on the price, but this is the price on the retail price. And sometimes they have bundles, sometimes they have special offerings. So yeah, it fluctuates around this range.
And these current products, they support HD 720p, right?
Yes, so this one supports up to 720p. Currently, most of the content for our laptops is for 720p is more than enough, because most laptops cannot play full HD content. But wisair will also offer a full HD solution later this year. Will be a higher end, and maybe again, because of the platform's capabilities, may not be suitable for any laptop. Like this solution is almost suitable for any laptop, let alone very old models.
So that's what's next. Anything else in the plans?
So yeah, we also have a solution that was announced and will be soon in the market. You can see it here, for example. This is the wireless laptop docking. It allows you to connect your laptop wirelessly to a monitor, keyboard, mouse, and speakers. This is how I work at home, for example. I just come home. Instead of plugging all those cables, I plug just one USB dongle, and I put my laptop on the side, so I have a clear desktop. I can use a bigger screen, a bigger keyboard, and enjoy at the same time the mobility of a small laptop.
Fantastic. Well, hopefully we'll get to see some product demos now.
Yes.